Hey Divas, welcome back to another video. Please don't mind my no makeup kind of look. I don't even have lip gloss on for the reason of this video. I'm going to be trying out a teeth whitening kit, so I didn't want to have any lip gloss on. My hair is in a messy bun. I do not know what she's doing, but she's doing her thing. Let's not mind that. Thank God the camera kind of cuts it off a little bit because she is looking a little crazy right now, but everyone's asleep except my husband in the other room, and I thought, all right, I have some quiet time. Let me set up my camera and let me film this review for you guys because I really want to whiten my teeth. I got this for Mother's Day. Okay, so a little backstory. I really want to have white teeth, so this is what my teeth look like. Not too bad, but I have always whitened my teeth. You know, I've used Crest White Strip. I have this one right here that my grandmother got me. It's called Smile Active, and this one doesn't have like any of those harsh chemicals for your teeth. So I've tried this. I've done the Crest White Strips, but it seems like my teeth are just so sensitive that I've been kind of staying away from whiteners. But I want white teeth. I love to pamper myself. I love to take care of myself. And one thing that I like to do is have a white smile. So I got this for Mother's Day, and this is the smiledirectclub Bright On Premium Teeth Whitening Kit. It comes with 4 pens and a light for 6 months of your brightest bright. So this is what it looks like, and my mom got this for me, and I believe it was around $45, but I just looked it up on my phone, and they come with different amounts of the whitener and all different prices. So I believe this one was $45, but I think you can get it on Amazon for around $74, and it comes with more than just 4 pens, I believe. But just do your research. You can probably get it off of smiledirectclub. This is just my first time seeing this. I've seen smiledirectclub all over YouTube, you know, everyone trying their little retainers to straighten their teeth, and I've wanted to do that before, but I feel like I might actually have to get braces again. I'm not quite sure. I haven't worn my retainer in years after I got my braces taken off because I was so young and I didn't really care that much, if you want me to be honest. I just thought, oh, my teeth are fine now, but unfortunately, they're kind of going back to the way that they used to be, so I might have to get adult braces. I'm not sure how that's gonna go. I have to wait until I can go to the dentist, but I just thought, in the meantime, let me try to whiten my teeth now that I have this product. And I've heard really good reviews for smiledirectclub. So when I saw that my mom got this for me, I was so excited because I've always wanted to try smiledirectclub. So this is what the packaging looks like, and it just shows that it comes with this light right here and comes with these 4 tubes. On the back it says everything you need for 6 months of your brightest bright. So right here it says it's 3 times faster than using strips, only 5 minutes twice a day, same enamel safe whitening agent used by dentists, helps remove years of tough stains in 1 week, and its patented smartphone compatible 20 LED light enhances the bright. So this is what the back looks like if you guys want to screenshot it and read it for yourself. But let's open this up and see what we got in here and how this all works. So it says it only takes 5 minutes, which is amazing, especially for me being a mom. I don't have a lot of time, and I do gotta edit some videos and then go to sleep so I can get my rest while my little boy is sleeping, so I can get some rest. But I just thought, while it's quiet, I gotta film a video. So right in here you get the Bright On. It tells you everything that you need, and I opened this up already just to double check, see what there was in here. And it did say right here, just so I can tell you guys, that I do have to brush my teeth before I apply the whitener, and you do not rinse, eat, or drink for 20 minutes after you are done. So I have to wait 20 minutes and then I can drink some water, but I'm going to brush my teeth and then we are going to get started once I show you everything that you get. So you get this little, adapter, that's what they're called, right? So you plug your comes in this little case, which I love. This is the Bright On by smiledirectclub. So this piece right here goes in your mouth, and it comes with this very long cord, and you plug this cord into this piece right here. And this can go, let's say, into your computer, or if you have a PlayStation or whatever, it can go into this, or you can plug it into an iPhone little end piece and plug it into the wall. You can also, I believe, this might be an Android plug, and then you also have the iPhone. So I'm going to do the iPhone, and let me quickly show you. So I'm just going to plug this into my phone, And then you got this bright blue light, which is super bright, so I'm going to close my eyes, but that's what it looks like. And it can plug right into your cell phone, which I love because I always have my cell phone on me and it's just easy peasy. So we got that. And then we also got the 4 tubes of whitener. So from what I've read so far, just because I wanted to be prepared for you guys, let me open it up and read it to you. So you guys, if you get this, you know exactly what to do. So step 1, you're going to take the cap off and slowly twist the bottom of the pen until you see gel in the brush. Brush gel on your top 6 teeth and your top bottom teeth in a circular motion. The gel will foam and penetrate. Step 3, grab the LED accelerator light and plug it into your phone or USB port. Gently bite down and pull your lips over the mouthpiece and use the light while the gel is on your teeth. After 5 minutes, spit out the excess gel, but don't rinse. The whitening will continue to absorb in your teeth. Each pen holds 4 applications. If there is gel left in the pen after 4 uses, keep using it. Continue to whiten until all 4 pens or until you achieve your desired result. So then it says, do this. Make sure that you brush your teeth before you start. It will help the whitening absorb better, but don't floss. Whiten every 6 months. Remember, your teeth continue to whiten after the gel absorbs, so pay attention to the next page. Do not rinse, eat, or drink for 20 minutes after you're done. Do not consume staining foods and drinks like coffee, chocolate, or red wine. And then it has all this other writing on the back, but that is pretty much like the main thing that you really need to know. And then it says more products to smile about. They have an electric toothbrush, a water flosser, which that would be great for me because I don't like really flossing my teeth that much with the floss because my gums are super sensitive, so they bleed. So maybe like I should look into the water flosser. And then they also have a toothpaste. So I'm definitely going to check out Smile Direct Club's website to see what they have to offer. And if I like this product a lot, maybe I will buy something else. But that's why I wanted to come on here, hang out with you guys, and review this product. I also tried these Impress nails. I got them at CVS the other day, and they're so cool. I'm actually ordering a pair of press-on nails from my nail tech because she is doing that, and I can't wait to show you guys, so I have to order my custom one. But in the meantime, I just wanted to try these out for future reference. I like how short they are, just really simple and nude, and yeah, I wanted to try it out. So we are going to now brush my teeth, and then we will get started. So my teeth are nice and brushed, and let's get started. So it said to twist one of the pens, so I'm going to take one of the pens out and place the other ones to the side. And it says you just want to twist until you see the gel coming out of the brush. So you guys can hear the clicking. I don't want to do too much because pens like these, once like the gel comes out, like it comes out if you do too much of it. Okay, here it goes. It's starting to come out. I'm not sure if you guys can see that right there. Can you guys see the gel? So I'm going to take some of this gel. I'm going to put it on my teeth. I'm going to look in my mirror right here, so I'll come a little closer. So it said to put them on the top 6 and then the bottom 6 in a circular motion. I'm gonna put a little more. And I know I'm putting it more than 6. Alright. With the car, I'm gonna get this. Okay, you guys, so that was my first 5 minutes. This is what they look like. I don't know if I really see much of a difference right now, maybe just the slightest little bit. But I'm definitely going to continue to do this. So if you do want to see like a little update in the future on how this little whitening journey is going, I did like that it was only 5 minutes. I like that I had this little LED light in my mouth. I've never had one of these before. I've always just used Crest white strips. I like the fact that you brush it on. Overall, I have to say that I really do like this product so far. I am going to continue to use it like I mentioned, just because I want to see how white I can get my teeth. I'm just going to put this back in here. I wiped it all down so it's nice and cleaned. But yeah, if you guys want to see another like review on this, maybe once the 6 months are done, definitely let me know in the comments below, because I would like to know how these used to work. I used to watch a ton of videos, not on smiledirectclub, just other whitening. I forget what it was called, but all like different YouTubers used a certain whitening kit, and I always wanted it, but I never got it, because I always use Crest white strips. So I'm really excited that I have this one, and I believe it was only $45, and I think my mom said she might have got it at CVS. I'm not quite sure, but like I mentioned, I looked it up when I typed in smiledirectclub teeth whitening. It also said Walmart next to it, so maybe you can get it at Walmart, maybe you can get it at Target. Just do your research on it. I know that I got this as a gift, and I believe she said CVS, and I believe she mentioned around $45, so not that bad, especially since Crest white strips are around 30 something, and I love the fact that you get that LED light because it just makes the experience more fun. Also, my teeth do not feel sensitive at all. They do not hurt or anything. Sometimes when I used to take off the Crest white strips, my teeth just felt so sensitive, and I didn't like that. I did like the result I got from it, but I did not like the feeling of it, and that's why I stopped using it. So I really liked how easy this was. I feel like my teeth look a little bit whiter, so I'm going to continue to do this for the 6 months. I hope that you all enjoyed this little review. Like I mentioned, I will do a updated 6-month teeth whitening, but if you do want to see that, I would love if you could give this video a thumbs up or comment below to let me know if you guys want to see it. So if you enjoyed, please make sure to give it a thumbs up as well. If you are not subscribed already, you should definitely click the subscribe button to join the Diva Squad. That is what we call it over here. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.